The best note-taking apps for Android are essential tools that enable users to efficiently capture, organize, and manage their thoughts and ideas on the go. These apps typically offer a user-friendly interface, allowing for quick and easy note creation using text, voice, or images. Key features often include organizing notes into folders or tags, which helps users maintain a structured approach to their ideas. Many note-taking apps also support multimedia elements, enabling users to embed photos, audio recordings, and videos within their notes to make them more informative and engaging. Synchronization capabilities are common, allowing users to access their notes across multiple devices, ensuring that important information is always available whenever needed. Additionally, most Android Note apps feature robust search functionalities for quickly locating specific notes or keywords, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Collaboration tools are often included, enabling users to share notes with others for group projects or brainstorming sessions.